Good morning, everybody. It's Brennan here from Brennan's Mobile Detailing. We're out here in Stony Creek, Hamilton. We got ourselves a real good detail today. Here we are talking about the Ridgid behind us, ladies and gentlemen. So basically, this is the Ridgid. We got the 4-gallon 5.0 peak vacuum behind us. One of the best for detailing here. So what we're going to be doing here is a full interior detail on this transport truck, just right here in the right hand corner of us. But we're going to be talking about, most importantly about, is the rip clean behind me. Here in the last video I did quite a back in 2024. Thank you for everybody who's liking and subscribing to Brennan's Mobile Detailing. I really appreciate it. So here what we have is, as I was mentioning, we have the rip clean here. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to hook this right up to your hose attachment. This directly just goes right to your hose, any regular standard hose that will connect up to. And then you take this right here, see, rip clean product, very great for doing abstracting upholstery, leather, carpet, anything like that. And it gives off a really nice fine mist with the sprayer. Actual professional head here for doing any extracting. You're not going to find anything like this for an abstractor. Rip clean, ladies and gentlemen. This is a very good product, and this just hooks right up into your vacuum right here. So this just connects right into your standard vacuum port right here. So just like so, and that'll just go and that'll just click right in there like that. So as mentioned, I'm going to be doing a full interior detail on this bad boy right here. Give you a little walkthrough. Hello everyone, welcome to my office for the next couple of hours. We got ourselves a pretty good one here. I'm sorry about the camera view, I'm just trying to pick up everything and just give you guys a little bit of a glimpse of what I'm going to be doing. It's going to be a little bit of work to get this back to life, but with Brennan's Mobile Detailing. So as mentioned, we got a little bit of work here ahead of ourselves here on this interior detail of this transport truck here, Kenworth. And ladies and gentlemen, we are going to be bringing this baby back to life. So pay attention, stay tuned, like, subscribe, follow for more videos. Brennan's Mobile Detailing. Really appreciate to everybody who has been liking and subscribing. So trying to get up to 1,000 subscribers and followers. So cheers, thanks everybody, and stay tuned. Welcome back everybody to the channel. We're finally getting ourselves halfway through this job. So we did the vacuum, the steam clean, disinfected everything, sanitized everything, wiped everything down. Now we're gonna get ready for the vinyl shine. Also, we're gonna be wiping the windows down, and we're gonna wrap this baby up for this customer, and lo and behold, it's gonna look really nice once it's all done. It's gonna look fresh and clean. You can get back into it as the customer and feel really good about the detail, because satisfaction guarantee 10 out of 10. Brennan's Mobile Detailing. Here's a little walkthrough. As I mentioned, I did do the vacuum, the steam clean, and I disinfected everything, sanitized everything for the customer as well. And now I just have to wipe it down with vinyl upholstery shine, and we are going to be in business, ladies and gentlemen. Everything's going to come up really nice on this. As you can tell, we wiped everything down nicely for the customer, and going to be putting on some upholstery shine to get this baby looking nice and fresh. But as it stands, it does look much better. So I'm going to be applying one of my favorite products. It's the Auto Valet Ultra Shield, and ladies and gentlemen, it is a wonderful product. Ancaster, Ontario, manufactured. No, this isn't sponsored video, but this is just more or less me just telling you guys that this is some wicked stuff. And that'll get a zoom close. Auto Valet Ultra Shield dressing for upholstery, and ladies and gentlemen, does an absolute fantastic job. So here we are, ladies and gentlemen, just finished this interior complete detail. I'll give you guys a little walkthrough and show you what I did. So what I basically vacuumed, steam cleaned, sanitized, went over all the upholstery, shined the upholstery, conditioned the leather, and did an overhaul on this pretty well. So let's step up into the cab here and we're gonna have a little walkthrough. Here's a little walkthrough. Obviously the exterior needs to get washed and tidied up, but as for the inside, it looks pretty good. So there you have it, guys. That's full interior detail for anybody looking to have their vehicles detailed next. Give me a shout. Brennan's Mobile Detailing. You know what to do. Hit the like and the subscribe button. For anybody who hasn't, please do so. Brennan's Mobile Detailing. And on to the next adventure. Hope you're all having a wonderful day, wonderful weekend, and hit that like and subscribe button. Cheers.